Okay, we have our next to last box of last night's shipment. Oh, hey, looky there. We have some 5x5s. Isn't that nice? So we have purple, purple 5x5s. It's just a handful. Oh. So get on the stick if you want these. They're sweet. They're really nice, vibrant colors. That was a surprise. I forgot I ordered them. And another bush tucker. This one is in red. What's not to love about that? We have bush plum 2. Now we saw that earlier. We got it in every color we could. This one is considered red as well. And we have also in green. And if you can see it, this is green with blue in it. They sneak all these cute little colors in there just to give it some real depth. And bush plum, and I'm not sure if they're going to call it gold, which that's spot on. Here's a multicolored print that looks new to me. This is corroboree in black by Donna McNamara. And I know some of you want to see that story, so I'm going to show it to you, and maybe you can clip it if you want to read about it later. Okay. Corroboree, I got them in every color I could. Sometimes they keep colors in just in Australia, but once they release them, we grab them. Corroboree in blue. Blue, it's pretty multicolor and rather on the purple side, okay? Here's a nice light with black and cream on it, called bush tucker. Looks so different than the other colorways, doesn't it? And Sandy Creek. This is a really popular one. We've had this several times, considering it's, well, the color is considered black. And it is mostly black with the charcoal and that kind of purpley black, lilac black, gray, with ecru motifs on it. And Onion Dreaming, another very popular print because of the scale. And Onion Dreaming is in green. Super nice. Bill likes that one. And then, Land of Utopia, when I can get these. Now this one flies because everybody wants this in their background, as their background for lots and lots of projects. And this is not a thick bolt, so if you want it, get it.